Is it Crystal Rollins?
Rollins, yes.
Ma'am, you charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. On November 20th, 2024, the officer was dispatched in regard to an intoxicated driver. The caller stated the defendant's motor vehicle was failing to maintain a single marked lane and almost hit a wall and struck multiple curbs. The caller pursued the vehicle for approximately 5.36 miles before the officers arrived. Upon arrival, the officer made contact with the defendant, who stated she was sorry and advised she did not know where she was. The officer observed the defendant with unsteady balance and appeared disoriented. Standard field sobriety tests were performed, HGN 4 out of 6, and the defendant was unable to follow instructions on the walk and turn and refused to conduct the test. DICs were read but refused. Blood search warrant was signed and executed.
Okay, any priority to be honest?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Rollins, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Do you have a valid Texas driver license?
Yes.
Do you have liability insurance in your name?
Yes.
Okay. Do you run a license? All right. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes.
I'm not asking much. Just don't consume alcohol, illegal drugs. That's it. Now I see that you do have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but just stay in touch with Ms. Turner and she'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. For now, we'll just have you sign a reset, get with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you're welcome to wait for your lawyer back. Okay?
Thank you.
Please. Good morning, Mr. Surovic. So you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. So you are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. Okay. On November 22nd, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle after observing it travel at a high rate of speed, 70 to 75 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer noticed the defendant with red, watery eyes and an odor of an alcoholic beverage. The officer further saw the defendant was slow to react and was swaying side to side. Standard field sobriety test was performed, HGN 4 out of 6, walk and turn 3 out of 8, one leg stand 3 out of 4. The DIC was read and the defendant consented to breath. The results were 0.153 and 0.155.
Got it. Any priority to be honest?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Surovic, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a Texas driver license? Alex. Do you have liability insurance in your name?
Sir.
All right, I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
I see that you have a lawyer. Good job on having a lawyer. So I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court. Just stay in touch with Mr. Nelson, and they'll tell you when you have to come back to court. I'll have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you're welcome to wait for your lawyer back. All right, please.
Next judge is page 1. Ayala, come on up.
You are Walter Ayala. Do you speak English or no? Okay, Mr. Ayala, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer conducted a traffic stop after the defendant failed to move over or slow down while the officer was conducting a previous traffic stop. While running the defendant's license, the officer found the license was returned as not eligible, and the defendant had a previous conviction of DWI in 2003.
What was the stop?
He failed to move over or slow down while the officer was conducting a traffic stop.
All right, Mr. Ayala, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You're not allowed to drive. Do not drive. If you want to drive, go get your license, get liability insurance. But until that point, you will be signing an affidavit with me today promising you're not going to drive. I don't care what your excuse is. Do you understand? We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire lawyers. So first I'll have you come up here, swear test that you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria, sign a reset, and then you're out of here. When you come back, let's have a lawyer, sir.